Hi, I'm Tammy, the seamstress at Anita Goodesign, and I am going to give you a tip and trick on how to fold a 1/4 inch shirttail hem. So for today's demonstration, we will need a piece of fabric, pins, and scissors. So to start, we are going to place our fabric under our presser foot, staying with the raw edge even with the width of your presser foot. Bring your presser foot down. Stay right with the very edge of your presser foot as you sew down the length of the fabric. And as I am sewing, I am not pulling or holding tight. I'm just letting the fabric pull through. There is no need to back tack at this point because we are going to fold over. Today I'm using a white thread just so that you can see what I'm doing. Normally we would use a matching thread so that you would not be able to see it as clearly. So turn your fabric around. You're going to fold this over, fold your raw edge in, and fold over one more time to have a double 1/4 inch seam allowance. Pin in place, and this is going to help you keep that seam or hem straight. So now with your hem turned in, you're going to go back to your sewing machine. Take your first pin out because we do not sew over pins. And the edge with the stitching is going to be right inside the presser foot here. This time you will need to back tack. We do not want this hem to come apart. And now just continue sewing straight down the line, taking your pins out as you go. So here is your hem, front and back, and making a straight line is as simple as that. Okay, so now that you have learned this technique, you can apply this technique to an unlined napkin, placemat, or even the bottom of a t-shirt.